Hello, this is Monica from Unique Designs by Monica, and today I'm going to show you how to make I love cats or I love mice. Um, I believe I want to say it's a pendant. You can actually make this into a pendant, or you can put this on a shirt for vinyl. But let me get started on how I created these two images using basic shapes in Cricut Design Space. So let's get started. So we're going to be primarily working with a heart, two in fact actually. And I'm going to make this pretty large in order for you guys to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to copy and paste using Control C, Control V. And what I want to do for this particular one is make it a little thinner and a little more off-centered, because I want the tail to be the primary focus as well as the head. So I'm going to select all of this and then slice. By slicing, it cuts the image through, so I can get rid of this right here. So since this is a little bit more thinner, I'm going to make this into the mouse first. And what I did is I grabbed the heart and then I rotated it to make fit into this section right here. And as you can see, it's going to give me a gap right there. And I'm need to fill that in. So in order to fill it in, I'm going to grab my circle and then take it off the lock just so I can fill this in. Now all I'm going to do is select everything, but hold on, I see a little gap right there. There we go. And weld. Now I have the basis of my mouse right here. In order to do the ears, all I did is grab a circle, took it off the lock, and made them slightly oval. And then I'm going to adjust it slightly like that. I'm going to copy it and paste it. And I'm going to wait until this is welded in order to put where the secondary ear is going to go. Weld. And now I have a pretty firm idea where I want it. Now I can actually make it smaller. Let me take it off of lock. Move it over. Just like that. And then weld. There we go. We have our mouse. And you can actually fill in I love mice or I love my mouse or whatever, you know. It could be any kind of rodent that has the same kind of little rounded ears. So that is my first image. Let's do the cat. It's going to be in the very same way. I'm going to make it nice and big. Copy and paste. And for this one, I want to make sure I have a nice little flowing tail here for the cat. So I'm going to bring it down just a little bit like that. And weld. I mean, not weld, slice. I'm going to remove it. And there we go. So all I need is my circle, and then I can actually make this as big as I need it, covering the whole area. Now I want to make sure that it's touching the other area in order to make it symbolize it's a cat. So I'm going to cover this up and weld it just like that. Oh, you know what? I don't like it's a little too. Let me bring it up just a little bit. There we go. Weld. Yep. Okay. So now for the ears. I used a diamond shape, and I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the mouse. I'm going to see where I want this to be placed. Then I'm going to weld this, and then I'm going to move this to the area where I want it. Now this one looks a little bit more curved, but that's perfectly fine. Gives it more of a Cheshire cat look. And I'll welt. Now for the eye, all I did is grab one of the diamonds, flipped it on its side, and then shrunk it. Now I can actually see where I want my eye to go. If I want it there, yeah, that's where I want it. And I'm going to slice it. And I forgot that I didn't give the mouse an eye. So let me bring him over. All I do is just grab a little circle, put them nice and tiny, and figure out where I want it to go. Slice, move it off to the side, and delete. So now I have my cat and mouse. And you can put these any color you want. I know would make a great jewelry. All you would need to do is either put a hole here, I think they would make great earrings. You can make this into a necklace, take one side off, and then have this hang this way. And then you can have yourself a little earring right there. All you have to do is just slice it. Use the same hole, turn it ever so slightly, put it right there, and slice. So you have yourself a nice little cat and mouse earring. So it would be perfect for jewelry. There you go. If you like this series, by all means, give it a like. If you want to see more, I post every Saturday and Wednesday. So if you don't want to miss anything, click that subscribe button and that little bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload, what time I upload, because every single time it's a little bit different. So thank you for watching. You guys have a beautiful day. Bye.